In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively generate SEO keywords using ChatGPT Atlas. This simple process will help boost your website's visibility and ensure you're reaching the right audience online. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open ChatGPT Atlas on your browser. If you're not familiar, ChatGPT Atlas is an excellent tool for AI-assisted content creation and optimization. It uses advanced algorithms to provide insights that can guide your content strategy. Once you've got it opened, you'll notice how user-friendly the interface is, making it easy to navigate even if you're a beginner. Now, in the search bar, simply type in mental health. This will bring up a variety of content related to mental health topics, which is essential as you'll be using this as your base for generating SEO keywords. This topic is highly relevant and widely searched, so it makes for a perfect example of how to use the tool effectively. Once you've entered mental health, go ahead and click the website link that appears. This will take you to a page filled with content that you can now analyze using ChatGPT Atlas. Make sure you take a quick look around to get a sense of the content structure and information presented. Understanding the context is crucial as it will help you in the next step where keyword generation comes into play. On the sidebar of ChatGPT Atlas, you'll find an option to make a prompt. This is where you'll instruct the system to generate keywords. You'll want to write or paste something like "Generate SEO keywords from this page" as your prompt. This action instructs the AI to scan the web page and identify potential keywords that are both relevant to your content and valuable for SEO purposes. Once you've entered your prompt, simply click Submit. The AI will then begin its work, analyzing the page you've loaded, and in a short amount of time, it will provide you with a list of suggested keywords. These keywords can help you tailor your content and optimize it for search engines, potentially increasing your page's ranking and driving more traffic to your site. And there you have it. You've successfully used ChatGPT Atlas to generate SEO keywords, a crucial step in optimizing your content for online visibility. Remember, it's essential to continuously update your keywords as trends and search algorithms evolve, ensuring that your content stays relevant and competitive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts or any questions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy content creating!